Hello children, how are you? Again you are welcome in our class. 10th RBSC, the chapter is resolution, है ना? हमने जो पढ़ा, what we have discussed, again I am going to tell you about the same things. That a boy, Anna, okay, was coming to his home from college, and what did he see in the village that was alarming for him? Because nothing was there, means everything was we can say past, dried. The way where he was going, he was watching here and there. He used to play cricket there, but और बताता था, he also memorizing, he also collecting his past memories. That is why he was feeling little bit difficult. Is that clear? And जब वो पास कर रहा था तब वो अपने गांव को देख रहा था, अपने सूखे पेड़, और मतलब एकदम से सूखा पड़ा हुआ था हर जगह पे. And when he entered in the village, he saw what? He saw that only nobody was present there. कोई भी नहीं था वहाँ पे, है ना? Nobody was present there. And he also asked to the चौकीदार जो मिला था, जो कि धोती कुर्ता पहने हुआ था, shabby clothes were wearing. He also asked him where are the villagers gone. And when he was passing the school, पाठशाला, विलेज पाठशाला, वहाँ पे क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज हो रही थी वो भी मिसिंग थी. इज इट क्लियर? सो इन दिस चैप्टर व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दैट कि वो फिर उसने उससे पूछा उस चौकीदार से कि कहाँ गए. देन चौकीदार सेड टू हिम दैट ऑल द विलेजर्स हैड गॉन इनटू द टेंपल. मंदिर में चले गए वो. दे आर प्रेइंग टू फॉर द गॉड, क्योंकि गॉड क्या हो गया, नाराज हो गया. लेकिन वो जो बंदा था, जो अन्ना था, ही हैड नॉट गॉन इन द वी कैन से टेंपल, ही वाज इन हिज होम. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. Anna decided that he will not join the villagers in the temple. Anna ने decide किया कि he will not go to the temple. He thought that the village folk do not endeavor to find a solution to any grave problem because of the lack of proper education. कह रहा है कि the village people, they never trying to find out the solution of the problem because they have lack of education. They are uneducated people. If things become unbearable, they need God to descend on earth to fight their battle. और कह रहा है कि if they are unable to face the danger, if they are unable to face the problem, then what they hope, the villagers are hope that God will come on the earth and he will solve the problem. Is that clear? Who was thinking these things? Anna. And about whom he was thinking? The village people. दे होपफुली वेट फॉर एन अवतार, जो कि गॉड क्या कहते हैं, जब धरती पे आता है ना तो भगवान कहते हैं कि अवतार लेता है. लोग कहते हैं कि भगवान है वो क्या लेता है, अवतार. द सेम फीलिंग दे वर ऑल्सो हैविंग. इन द आवर ऑफ क्राइसिस दे डू नॉट रियलाइज दैट गॉड हेल्प्स दोज हु हेल्प देमसेल्व्स. ये कहावत भी है कि इफ यू आर इन प्रॉब्लम, इफ यू आर टोटली डिपेंड ऑन द गॉड वुड नॉट कम टू हेल्प यू. If you would try to help yourself, then God will try to help yourself. Okay ना? So we should not depend totally on the God. हमें भगवान के ऊपर इतना डिपेंड नहीं होना चाहिए. भगवान क्या करेगा जब हम खुद जानबूझ के नहीं करेंगे, हम कुछ एक्शन नहीं लेंगे, हम कुछ करेंगे नहीं, तो what will the God do for us? I think nothing. That same thing was also, we can say, running in the mind of Anna, because the people of the villagers, or the village people, they were totally depend on the God. And you know that was a drought in the village. वो गॉड के ऊपर डिपेंड क्या होना, उनकी खुद की गलती थी, वो कुछ ऐसा कर रहे थे. इवनिंग गेव अवे टू ट्विलाइट. शाम का टाइम हो गया. एंड ट्विलाइट सैंक इनटू डार्कनेस. और ट्विलाइट से रात हो गई, संध्या से रात. ही वॉज अलोन इन हिज हट, ही वॉज अलोन इन हिज रूम, और वी कैन से होम. ही टर्न अप द विक ऑफ ए लैंटर्न. थोड़ी लैंटर्न की बत्ती उसने जलाई. इट्स सूटी चिमनी बिकेम ब्राइट. और वो चिमनी जलने लग गई. Anna's thoughts flew back to the past. Anna was, or we can say, in his past. जो उसकी thoughts थी वो past में चली गई. He remembered how his parents, in spite of stringent financial conditions, sent him to a prestigious science college in the city. कह रहा है कि even my parents were also very poor and they also faced this condition. Even they were not able to, we can say, earn the money, but उन्होंने मेरे को कहाँ भेजा, ने prestigious, बहुत ही कहते हैं कि जो अच्छी prestigious होती है ना, उस कॉलेज में मेरे को पढ़ा, साइंस कॉलेज में मेरे को भेजा इस सिटी में. His strong will to prove himself won him the award of the best student of college, and where he got, Anna got the award of best student in the college. And you know, that was only for his strong will. That was happened because of his strong will, nothing else. Anna was firmly determined that after completing his education, he would return to his small village and work for its upliftment. And what was Anna thinking? He was totally determined that after completing his education, he would not do work in the city, he would not do job in the city, he would come in the village and will try to do something for the villagers, and he will educate the people, maybe whatever he is going to do. But he thought that after completing education, I would not run in the city, I would return in my village and I would do something to upliftment for my villagers. Sent him to he always thought of employing modern method of farming in his village and educating the villagers on environment. और क्या उसकी जो what was the thinking of Anna, that he would develop the new technique of farming, खेती के नए नए तरीके, and not only this, and he will also make aware the people of the villagers about the environment, कि पर्यावरण को कैसे बचाया जा सकता है, पर्यावरण को कैसे अच्छा रखा जा सकता है. That was the two aim of Anna's life. One was to tell the people new technique about the farming, and second is to tell the people to make the people to understand the importance of environment. Okay, water management and other issues. Not only environment, water management is also the most important issue. Got it? क्योंकि पानी को वेस्ट नहीं करना, पानी को बचाना. He was totally different from his other classmates. The classmates who were studying with him, totally different, who always dream of earning in dollars and living a luxurious life in a foreign country. What the other classmates were thinking? Other classmates were thinking that they would earn money, they would earn dollars. डॉलर बोले तो अमेरिकन, जो foreign country, and they were also thinking that we would live a luxurious life, शान शौकत वाली लाइफ जिएंगे. But Anna was totally different from them, क्योंकि Anna wanted to do something for his village. He never ever wanted to do something for himself. He was a nice boy. As he was reflecting on the goal of his life, his eyelids became heavy and he went off to sleep. As he was thinking, as he was making how to get the goal, how to get the aim of his life, suddenly he was dozing up. सो गया, नींद आ गई उसको. Anna then saw a macabre vision. एक भयंकर सपना देखा अन्ना ने. What did he see? There were bombs everywhere and not a place to hide. हर जगह bombs गिर रहे हैं. Not a place to hide there. He could clearly see the blazing homes, जलते हुए घर, dilapidated buildings, गिरती हुई धड़-धड़ कर गिरती हुई buildings, charred, mangled bodies and mounds of corpses, लाशों के ढेर लगे रखे. The entire atmosphere was resounding with the winning sound, and कंप्लीट एटमॉस्फेयर में क्या हो रहा था, चीखने चिल्लाने की आवाजें आ रही थी. क्राइस ऑफ लेमेंटेशन एंड एग्नॉय, यानी दैट वाज द ड्रीम, कि हर जगह बॉम्ब गिर रहे हैं, बिल्डिंग है वो धड़धड़ाकर गिर रही है, घरों को आग लगा दी गई है, लाशों का ढेर बना हुआ है, और रोने की, चीखने की, चिल्लाने की आवाजें आ रही हैं. दैट वाज द ड्रीम. ही हियर्ड ए पैथेटिक वॉइस, तभी उसको एक दयनीय आवाज सुनाई दी. My throat is parched, मेरा गला सूख गया है. कोई बोल रहा है, My throat is parched, can someone give me a drop of water? And what was the person demanding there? The person was demanding water, drop of water. And within a few moments, the feeble voice becomes silent. And what happens? Within few minutes, after some time, the voice was that becomes feeble, weak, becomes silent. इसका मतलब the person who was demanding the water, the person who was asking for a drop of water, was died. The lack of water. What he was demanding? He only wanted to have a drink. He wanted to drink the water, but nobody gave him the water, and he was died. Leaks of blood sprang from the lines of the old wrinkled face. मुरझा हुआ झुलसा जो जिसके ऊपर काट छाट होती है ना चेहरे पे, उसे ब्लड निकल रहा है. ओल्ड पर्सन जो होता है उसके मतलब ऊपर से मुंह से. On the other side, a heart-rending shriek of a woman was audible to him. एक दिल को दहलाने वाली चीख. The lady was weeping there. Audible मतलब सुनाई दे रही थी. She had gone insane because she had lost everything. वो शुद्ध बुद्ध हो चुकी थी. Because the lady had lost everything whatever she was having. She was holding the dead body of her child in her arms. And what she was having in her arms? Dead body of her child. अपने बच्चे की dead body, लाश. And staring at the baby with vacant eyes. And what she was watching? She was watching keenly toward the baby. अपने बच्चे की तरफ देख रही है शून्य आंखों से. Vacant eyes. Another explosion and she attained eternal peace. एक और विस्फोट हुआ. And she attained eternal peace. और उसको भी शांति मिल गई. So that was the dream of Anna. Got it? अन्ना का जो ड्रीम था, that was the dream of Anna, and that was very dangerous, we can say. Anna was sleeping and he saw a vision that was a terrible vision कि बॉम्ब्स गिर रहे हैं, घर टूट रहे हैं, बिल्डिंग्स धड़धड़ाकर गिर रही हैं, लाशों के ढेर लगे हुए हैं, and a person was asking for a water, and suddenly he was died because of lack of water. And again he was thinking that a lady who was having a dead body of her child in her lap, and she was also crying, and she was watching the dead body of her child with the vacant eyes, and another explosion hua, and she was also died. So that was the vision of Anna. Is it clear? And from where he was from the city. He came in the village. And where had the villagers gone? They had gone into the temple. They were thinking that God is in fury. God क्या है, नाराज हो गया. क्यों हो गया? कि उस दिन गांव में क्या पड़ा था, सूखा पड़ा था. बरसात हुई, उसके बाद में भी सूखा पड़ा. Anna did not join them. Anna came in his house and slept there. And Anna was also different from other children, as other classmates. The other classmates, what they were dreaming, they were thinking that we would earn the money and we will move into foreign country and we will live a luxurious life. But Anna wanted to serve his own village. Anna was thinking that I would serve my village. I would tell the people about new techniques of farming. I would make aware the people about the protection of environment, and how I will tell them about the water management. But that was the dream of Anna. Anna then saw an incredible sight. The waters of all rivers and oceans had turned red. जो पानी समुद्र में, महासागरों में, ओशंस में, रिवर्स में जो था, that complete become red. वो पूरा क्या हो गया, लाल हो गया. He wondered why is it the blood of human being, and when he saw that, it was a dream. He was thinking that is why it happened. It was the blood of human being. यानी या क्या लोग इंसान का खून है. There was a tormenting pain with him and deep horror in his eyes. He shrieked, "No, it cannot be true." तभी उसकी आंखों में भयंकर डर और वो चिल्लाया, "Oh, that is not true." भगवान करिए सच न हो. क्या हो रहा था, वो ड्रीम था उसका. However, it was true. The Third World War had started, and the reason for this tragic event was water crisis. ये लिखा गया है बुक के अंदर, और मैं तुम लोगों को बता दूं, यदि थर्ड वर्ल्ड वॉर होगा, उसे तो बहुत से रीजन है, लेकिन अगर होगा तो केवल और मात्र पानी के लिए होगा, क्योंकि पानी बहुत जल्दी से खत्म हो रहा है। हम लोग वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, हमें जितना चाहिए उससे ज़्यादा काम में ले रहे हैं, हम पानी को वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। तो दैट वाज आल्सो ट्रू, दैट इज आल्सो ट्रू, दिस इज अ अलार्म, वी कैन से दैट इज अलार्मिंग फॉर अस। That is, third war had started, and the reason for the tragic event was water crisis. The countries with huge store of pure water were being attacked by other countries to capture their water pocket. और क्या होता है? The countries where they are having huge store of water, they are having enough water, they would be attacked by the country who had lack of water. Got it? To capture the water pockets. Will the entire humanity perish? क्या सारा संसार खत्म हो जाएगा? It was the thinking of Anna. Who was thinking these things? Anna. He was thinking that entire human being will be, we can say, destroyed. So बता दिया उसने. He woke up trembling and then realized that it was just a dream. He was trembling from fear and woke up. Then he realized what is this? That was only a dream. He thought that this dreadful nightmare, भयानक जो सपना था, डरावना, could turn into a reality. ये चेंज हो सकता है किसमें? That can be turned into a reality. If no steps were taken for the proper management of water, if they would not take any proper management of water conservation, the dream that I had can be changed into a reality. Yes, absolutely. He was now firmly determined to impart training to the youth of the village on water management techniques. And at last he determined himself, उसने दृढ़ निश्चय कर लिया कि I will give the training of वाटर कंजर्वेशन, हाउ टू सेव द वाटर, टू माई पीपल, यानी मेरे जो विलेज के पीपल हैं, लोग हैं, टू हुम आई वुड गिव द प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग टू सेव वाटर. हु डिटरमाइंड दैट? अन्ना. वाटर मैनेजमेंट टेक्निक्स, हु इन टर्न वुड ट्रेन द एंटायर विलेज, एंड आई वुड टीच सम फ्रेंड्स, एंड इफ दे वुड गेट एजुकेशन फ्रॉम मी, दे विल टीच विलेजर्स. इस तरीके से एक चैन बनाएंगे और वो चैन पूरे गांव को क्या कर देगी? टीच करेगी. दैट वाज द ड्रीम. एक ड्रीम था, उसको आया, और वो जो इतना भयंकर ड्रीम था, दैट वाज वेरी, वी कैन से, अलार्मिंग ड्रीम फॉर हिम, एंड ही डिसाइडेड दैट ड्रीम कैन बी चेंज इनटू ए ट्रू वी कैन से, दैट इज अ रियलिटी, दैट कैन बी चेंज इनटू रियलिटी. सो व्हाट शुड आई डू? I am also determined, means Anna was determined, and he thought that I would tell the people how to save the water. It was 3 o'clock, maybe in the morning. The temple prayers were over. The prayers, who were doing the prayers? The villagers. All the villagers were returning with a solemn expression of their faces. All the villagers were coming from the we can say temple, and they were having no expressions of happiness in their faces. They were satisfied but not totally satisfied. Because satisfied क्यों है? उन्होंने गॉड को राजी कर लिया. वो सोच रहे थे कि हमने क्या कर लिया? भगवान को राजी कर लिया. Women were holding the drowsy children in their arms. Drowsy मतलब ऊंधे हुए, सोए हुए, क्योंकि सुबह के 3 बजे थे. The children were also sleeping in the arms of their mother, okay, of their mothers. The women and men both were coming. The young village boy, great pals of Anna, एक लड़का जो अन्ना का बहुत अच्छा क्या था? दोस्त था. Okay, so the young village, the great pals of Anna came there, and they were very keen to meet him. Everybody wanted to meet with Anna. Within no time they reached his house. All the friends, Anna's friends, they came at the house of Anna. Warm hugs were exchanged. गले मिले एक दूसरे के साथ. Anna narrated his terrible dream to them. And what did Anna do? अन्ना ने अपना जो भयंकर सपना था उनको सुनाया. and they realized that only puja part will not solve this grave water problem. Then what they realized, okay, उन्होंने सोचा कि कौन इस गंभीर समस्या से हमें बचा नहीं सकता, दैट वाज पूजा पाठ. यस और नो? सो ये यहां तक अपन करेंगे आज कि द विलेज पीपल वर इन द टेम्पल एंड दे वर प्रेइंग. व्हेन दे केम रिटर्न, द फ्रेंड्स ऑफ अन्ना also wanted to meet Anna. Then they came their his house and they hugged each other, and Anna told them about the dream which he had. And after that they realized that we are going to face a big problem. So tomorrow we will also discuss about this chapter. Till then, okay, bye.